Hola clase, hoy es miércoles el 16 de diciembre 2020, and we have a snow day today. So since we have a snow day, we are doing remote learning. So you will be doing your work online today through Canvas. So remember, when we have a remote learning day, there are several ways you can access your assignment. One is to go to assignments, and you'll be looking for RL 1216 2020. Another thing you can do is go to today's lesson and assignment, and you would go to miércoles today because this is Wednesday. That's the day we're missing. Or you can always go to the calendar. So we're going to go ahead and go to the calendar. When we get there, you are going to see that on the 16th, you have remote learning 12/16/2020. I'm going to go ahead and leave student view now because if I click on that, it's going to be blocked because it's not available yet. It'll be available by 9. And so now in my view, I can go ahead and access that and show you what it's going to look like today. So all right. So when we go to this assignment, you will see that it says that this assignment is due tonight by 12/16/2020 at 11:59 p.m. The video will be here. And then it says after watching the video, here's what you will need to do. You're going to go to our Quizlet module in Canvas. So we'll do that here in a minute. I'll go back into student view and just to make sure you know where to find that. You're going to choose any set you want from our Quizlet module and practice that set. Then you're going to take a test over that set that you chose. You're going to type the name of the set into the text box in the assignment, and you're going to put the score that you got on that test in the text box and submit that. And then that's your submission for today. Also, make sure you've submitted your PAR and PAYSAR for this week. Remember, that is due by Thursday at 11:59. And then you should just prepare for your end of course test. That's going to be on Thursday and Friday now. And so make sure you are ready for that. We'll take part 1 tomorrow, part 2 on Friday. If you have any questions or concerns, make sure you send me a message through Canvas. So let's go ahead and go back into student view real quick. So when I'm in student view, I'm going to head to modules today. And I'm going to look for the Quizlet module, which is right here. And then I have all these different sets I can choose from. So let's say I decide I want to go back and practice El Alfabeto. I'm going to click, and then I'm going to click again. And then I will practice these cards. And you can practice just as flashcards. I wouldn't necessarily do the learn or the write or the spell. You can do a matching game, you can do gravity. But then once you practice, you're going to go ahead and take a test. And then remember, once you finish that test, you're going to go back and type the name of the set you chose. It does not have to be El Alfabeto, but if it is El Alfabeto, you'll type El Alfabeto, and then you'll tell me the score you got in your test. And then that's your submission for your assignment today. Remember, if you need help, send me a message through Canvas. Adios, mis estudiantes.